If you love the idea of singing meditations, but you secretly worry it won't work for you because you're not a real singer, then this video is for you. Give me the next 5 minutes. I'm going to show you why your untrained natural voice is not only enough, it's just perfect for singing meditations. And if you would like to try this in the most gentle way, I have a 10-minute singing meditations for complete beginners. Just comment sing and I'm going to give you a link to a free video. My name is Energy and I've helped hundreds of singers who are very insecure with their singing voices get into calm states by using breath and simple sound. And my intention with every video is to give you something simple and soothing that helps you to calm down. There is no technique required. There is no sounding beautiful or good voice required. No pressure here, no performance, just support. So if you love the idea of singing meditations, but you think to yourself, who am I to sing? Or what if I sound terrible? What if I do it wrong? Then don't worry, because singing meditations are actually not about technique and you don't need to be a real singer to do them. They work because it's not about performance of singing, it's about soothing your nervous system with humming and simple sound. So if people feel insecure with their voices, what they do is they go to YouTube, watch singing tutorials, practice singing to get better. And actually that fear, that insecurity, it's not only the fear, it's about being judged even by yourself. So actually it's not about pitch, it's not about having a beautiful voice, so don't worry here. And I have a 3-step guide for you. It's very simple. Even if you've never sung a note before, it will help and it will really work for you. So the step 1 is humming. There's no singing at all. Just a quiet hum is enough to activate your vagus nerve, it calms you, and it slows down your racing thought, it stops them, because the vagus nerve is responsible for our natural state of calm. And the step 2 is you just hum on one soft note. It's just one note. There's no melody, there's no technique required. And the step 3 is you add a vowel. If you're ready, then add a vowel to your hum. Just go from to ah, or to o or u. Just choose a vowel that feels easiest for you. And you're going to feel calm. After 5 minutes, you're going to feel the calm in your body. Your job is not to sound good, your job is to feel the vibrations in your chest and in your face. So this is actually all that you need. You don't need to be a real singer, you don't need to sound perfect. Even a simple quiet hum will do the work. Your body actually does all you need to really calm down, and your voice does 3 things for you. It vibrates your body, it slows down your breath, and it signals safety to your nervous system. If you would like to try a beginner-friendly 10-minute sing meditation, just comment sing below. I'm going to reach out and give you a link to a free video. It's very simple. You just need to follow along. You don't need to figure it out by yourself. It's a very simple instruction, and your mind is going to feel calm and your body will feel rested.